Hello, this is Saul and Wombat today. February 9th, 2026. So, yeah, here we are again. I was pairing, let me get out of here. I don't think I want this. Okay, so yeah, I was pairing with Philip last week for a couple hours, and I believe we've got some stuff working here. So I don't think I've got these pushed yet. Yep, 3 commits. But we're going to be looking, we're going to be doing a lot of cleanups here today. We're going to be pushing these things, cleaning up. I think there's one last thing in here. Let me make sure about this here. Oh, right. Yeah, okay, I can deal with that. Okay. So yeah, some interesting stuff in here. I'm not going to be spending too much time today, but I do want to get this stuff pushed and so we can close some of these issues. Oh, why is that failing? So maybe we'll look into fixing the build. We'll look at some of the PRs. There's been at least a couple of new PRs here in the last few days. Somebody did mention that they think my code here should only have the one thing in the PR. Fine. I will commit the other things in there. I don't know what to say. I don't really care what's in a PR, what's not in a PR. It's just kind of all gets folded into the same code, but I know it's better for cleanliness and hygiene for it to all be individual PRs. So I can take these files that are changed and commit them separately. Like I said, I don't care. I think I'll do it just to practice some hygiene here. So we're gonna, let's see here. I want to investigate this here. Right, I wanted to, so the reason I didn't commit this exact one here, Wombat, is that it's a lot of cruft, and I want to make it be an option because I think it's a useful option, and maybe even is useful in the large, to have all of the system tables being shown. But in the small, you just kind of want the general database as it currently works. So I think that I might hide this behind an option here. And so the issue that let's see here, not this one. No. Let's see, where was the issue? We're going to look at vdSQL issues and see if we can't figure these things out here. Where are you, vdSQL? Here we are, vdSQL issues. So we did that. I'll be changing that in a little bit here. Most of these are fixed, which is great. This is the one I'm looking at here. And visibility. So I think we're going to move Postgres schema. Let's see here. I think we're going to override that one. May as well. At least it's there. So we're going to use options Postgres schema, the desired schema. We're going to say here, where are we here? We want to look at DB name in options sheet, options Postgres schema dot split. Well, we're going to just going to say, there we'll have schemas. Oh, it's not called Postgres. Okay, it should be a vdSQL schemas. Schemas. We'll use this for now. Schemas, and if it's not, or not schemas. Right? Then we do it for everybody. We're going to this way. If schemas and vdaw not in schemas, then we just continue. Skipping db. Okay, and now, and we're going to use the options Postgres schema for now. I don't like it. We're going to change it to, well, let's see what we change it to. So we're going to look at the, actually, let's just go here and see what happens. No? Oh, we got DB. So yeah, I still haven't fixed that one, but if we do -f ductdb, no. Did not, oh, -f vdSQL, that's right. Then that will work. Oh, and then not sheet. This is self. Oh, interesting. This does not work if there are no databases. So it's like we need to, oh boy. So there are no databases in DuckDB land. So it only works in the Postgres case. So we should try to figure this out here. For DB name in listing the databases, but there's no databases in here. We're going to prove that. Here, oh. Why doesn't it show, first of all, why does it show PG catalog? That's interesting. And there's just no tables in there? Oh, and not in schemas. Oh, okay. Because the schemas are, what's it called? Main, public. So we're going to go into the visitor loaders. No. Visidata loaders. Postgres. Change that public. But actually, we can probably set the thing. Yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to set Postgres schema. Table index sheet. Class options. Postgres schema. Equals public and main. And we'll see how that goes. There we go. And so that's all the stuff in there. Perfect. And if I do it, yep, that's great. And so, no problem. It's not going to be Postgres schema though. It's going to be like, database segments? I don't even know. Well, let's see how it works with the MySQL database. And that's MySQL and Noah's. Oh, interesting. So why would it, let's see here. I kind of feel like, if schemas is not equal, why not in schemas? So actually going to make this be, or it could be, that's star. Okay, then we'll have database equals DB name. I guess if I do none, it'll probably, oh, it won't work. Let's find out here. Here we go. Okay, it multiple times, right? So yeah, I guess, and if we just do this and don't put that stuff in there, we're not going to get a DB name. DB name is none. Let's see how this works. So that'll do it. So that'll just give us the default stuff. Or none. Okay, we're going to make the database names equals DB name for DB name in this thing here if star not in schemas, if star in schemas, or DB name in schemas, fine. And we'll say DB names, or none. And then we will do that. I think this might be enough for DB names. Okay, and that'll work for MySQL, and it'll work if we specify Noah's. Great, it'll work if we go from Postgres. And let's just set it. We're going to do Postgres, vSQL Postgres, Postgres schema equals star. That's going to give us everything. And then if we want to just PG catalog, we can do that. Boom. Okay, good enough. And we're going to rename that PG Postgres schema to, oh, I don't know. We'll have to figure out a better name for it. But at least that for now is ticket. Sure. No. Sure. Although actually, probably I think we don't have to use, we can make this be empty. And this is going to be issue 2027. Actually, you know what we're going to try? We are going to, oh. We're going to do that. Visidata. And we are going to try to use Mr. Claude to commit it with a nice little message. See what he comes up with here. It comes up with here. So this is Sonnet. That's fine, I think, for now. We're going to ditch this. And we're going to say, commit code, code. Just whatever's added here. Commit stage changes. Oh, what's that? Okay. Yeah. See here. So what's in the to do here? Did I leave a lot of crap in there? I think I might be almost done with that. Yes, a couple of things left. That's it. 27, okay. Very curious how well Claude can do with this. Good, good, good. Okay. So it doesn't add the option. It okay, we're gonna fix this here. Yes. No, okay. It's not quite right. Actually, I'm gonna let it do it, and then I'm gonna modify it, I think. I don't feel like using tokens for this, so. Sure. And I'll amend. Guess. Okay. So that's fine. And then we have the dialect thing here, but I think we're actually going to call this for now. We're going to push these out. Well, I'll push them out for now. And we'll see. Well, I guess we're going to pull here. I'm going to actually run the tests and just make sure everything works. I think I'm going to get offline right now and fix the rest of this. So it turns out that I will be gone tomorrow recording again in the afternoon, and then Wednesday I'm also busy, so I can't do it then. But I think I'll be back on Thursday for another recording. So if anybody catches this later, I will be out for 2 days, and then I'll be recording on Thursday. Anyway, check y'all later.